In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana throughout the day to boost your productivity and stay organized. Whether you're new to this fantastic tool or just looking to streamline your workflow, you'll find these tips helpful and easy to follow. Let's start at the very beginning. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to the Asana website at www.asana.com. Once there, simply click on Login to access your dashboard. If you've never used Asana before, don't worry. You can easily get started by clicking on Get Started or Try for Free to set up your account. This platform will soon become your go-to tool for managing tasks and projects. Now that you're logged in and ready to go, starting your day with a review is crucial. Open Asana and take a few moments to check for any new tasks that have been assigned to you. Also, pay attention to any team updates or comments that may have been left on your projects. This initial review will give you a clear overview and help you prioritize your tasks effectively. With the task review out of the way, it's time to focus on what needs to get done today. Take a look at the daily or weekly goals you've set within Asana. This step is essential because it allows you to focus your efforts on tasks that require immediate attention, ensuring that your day is structured and productive. As the day progresses, keeping track of your time and progress becomes important. Use Asana's handy timeline or board view features. These tools let you monitor your project's progress and help keep you accountable throughout the day. By frequently checking these views, you'll maintain a sense of momentum, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. As the workday nears its end, dedicating a few minutes to review your progress is key. Reflect on what you have accomplished so far and how you've utilized your day. This review process will not only give you a sense of achievement, but will also aid in planning for the next day. Finally, the satisfaction of marking tasks as complete cannot be overstated. This step provides clarity and a sense of accomplishment, which can be incredibly motivating. For any tasks that didn't get completed, don't worry. Simply adjust their deadlines or roll them over to the next day so you can hit the ground running in the morning. And there you have it, a simple yet effective routine for using Asana throughout your day. By integrating these steps, you can enhance your productivity, maintain organization, and ensure that no detail is overlooked. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Until next time, stay productive and take care.